Good morning. I slept really well last night. I think it's supposed to be sunny all day today, which is gonna be nice. But for right now, I'm gonna go and make some coffee. Last night I made mac and cheese and I did not clean my pot. So I'm gonna spend 10 minutes cleaning some dishes and enjoying my coffee and also the view. I'm gonna enjoy the morning and do some house chores. think the ones that we're going to now are V2 and V3. The one that we just left was a couple of variations on a V2, and didn't want to spend too much time there just because there are so many things to see here. So did a couple of laps on that, and now we're off to the next thing. Have you ever had salmon jerky? You want some? Of course. Yes, sir. Woo. Let's go. Oh, dude, that was... Sandstone. So I just did the boulder twice because the first time the camera shut off for whatever reason. Look over and Alex is just hanging on the Mondo jug. So far, I've already hit the halfway point. If you count repeats and variations, I did a high ball V2 and 2 variations. I did a V3 in 2 variations, and then a V3 2 times. Once because the camera stopped filming at one point. Parked right over that way, and the boulder was right up here. And I forgot my keys, so going back and getting those. Found them. Cool. Lost my keys in the desert. Sick. I have noticed something drastic. I am sunburned. I don't know if you can see the difference or not. That is a huge difference. So I'm slowly turning into Neapolitan ice cream, but having a great time though. Also, look at this view. All right, I think we're calling it for today. We're both very, very warm and getting pretty tired just from being in the sun all day. So I think we're gonna head back to camp and maybe just hang out for a bit. But for right now, we're just gonna enjoy being in the trucks. Also, I got like 9 shades of sunburn today. I feel like dinner last time was very like phoned in. The sun actually looks kind of nice. So good. And also very cheap, very easy to make. It's literally just squished up avocado with lime juice, pepper, salt, and any other seasonings you want, really. Try to toast your bread before you put it on. And then any kind of cream cheese. It works best with salmon cream cheese, but I couldn't find that, so I stuck with chive and onion. This with like smoked salmon on top would be very, very good. I'm gonna enjoy this, enjoy the view, hang out with my buddy, and I will see you guys later tonight. Cool. First day of actual climbing is done, and so far I'm feeling pretty good about it. To this point, I've done Sage Truth V2 in 2 different variations, Orange Crush V3 in 2 variations, Knife Wrench Left V3 twice. For now, everything has gone great. I am sunburnt beyond belief and living the dream. I'm gonna get some sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning in next video. See ya.